It is so cold and windy today. No jacket like a dummy. A little bit of sun coming down, but a cold wind. Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope you said great. Electric company with an electric vehicle. Can't even hear it. Barely. Just the wheels or the tires. I've been so busy with my new job. Can't even get out for a break like I did my last job. When you do something for many years, almost 2 decades, you can take time away because you can do everything so naturally and comfortably. You can do things quickly. But now I'm learning a new job, and it's just a lot, and it's hard to get away from that seat to even take a break. And this morning, you need security badges to get in my building, and you need little tokens, what they're called, to get into the computer and get into different programs. I forgot all that and really threw my morning off. But trying to get back on track, scarfed down a little bit of lunch, and now I'm just trying to walk some stress off. Very stormy and wintry today here in Albuquerque. Some menacing clouds over there, and a little bit of blue down there. A little woodpecker. It's chirping away there. I love those colors, that red head and the ladder back, black and white. Why is he chirping so much? He's a little one. A little baby. And he's gone like that. Some pigeons went swooping by. Probably scared the little guy. I had a woodpecker like that, pretty big one, in my backyard one time, and he was going at my hummingbird feeder. He was trying so hard to get that teeny little hole. But I guess they have tongues that go way out and wrap around their whole inside of their head. It's really weird. It's a weird bird. Well, I'm sitting here at the bus stop, and maybe a bus will come and pick me up and take me away. Nope. Oh well, gotta go. The weather changes constantly here. I guess that's a good thing. You just wait for a while and your favorite weather will come around eventually. Now I'm standing on the corner of Winslow, Arizona. No, I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Ooh, that was kind of a rough walk, but that's what I needed. I needed a good cold blast of air to slap me in the face, wake me up and get back to work. I like that color. I like these new weird bright colors, these cars lately. Looks like that strong wind is blowing away most of the gray clouds. A lot of blue now. Oh, Oh, looks like my ride is here. Oh, I have to sit up there? There's my ride. Whew, such a stressful day. Last couple days been pretty stressful. Sitting at home and I'm just going over and over things on my mind that I'm stressed about, my work and everything. And I thought I'm going to get out and go for a drive. Maybe that'll distract me from overthinking. Went and got myself a dessert. This is a large Wendy's Frosty chocolate. It's good. It's good. So, just going to distract myself for a little bit and hoping you'll come along. Enjoy the ride. I've never gotten a good shot actually stopping, getting a good shot at the doghouse. It's been here since at least the 50s. Can you imagine all the 50s Fords and Chevys hanging out here with the music and just enjoying some soda and some dogs. Look at his little tail. It's wagging a little bit. There's the new hotel that we checked out the other day. I don't see anybody outside there. I deserved a little treat today. Been losing sleep over this new job. It's ridiculous. I should not be this stressed. Oh, my later years, I didn't think I'd be so stressed at my last job. I don't know why I bought a large. Thing's huge. Hey, it's Christmas. Well, it's about done. It's mostly just kind of soup now. Like a chocolate shake now. But that did work. That was a nice distraction. So, yeah, just constantly watching out for cars, watching out for people. Get your mind off things. So, that'll do it, folks. Thank you for coming along, indulging my stress. But thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very eclectic today. But I'll see you next time. Bye for now.